themselves. All right, so I just want to do just few account for you. This account did over $125 profit today, just today. You can see the drawdown, and as you guys know, most people that are trading with the people EAV Pro, they are experiencing some drawdown in their account. All right, that's one of the reasons I said the people EAS 2021 is more risk free compared to the people EAV Pro. All right, so guys, let's just be patient. Let's hope for the best on those people. I believe very soon the market is going to reverse and they're going to make profit. So I just want to share with you guys few people. You see the drawdown on this account, amazing. Was able to did over $17 profit today. If you go to the history of this account for the last 1 week, this account has been able to make this S amount. All right, that's starting from last week. So I don't want to go too deep. I don't want the video to be too long. It's already getting too long because of the introduction and all that. So I just want to just be quick for you guys. You can see that $17 profit as well. And you guys, as you guys know, the number one objective of trading is first keeping your capital protected, and that's why most of these people you see they are using one pair. We recommend this for them to keep their capital intact. All right, you can see $17 profit on that one too. And guys, remember the people EAS 2021 is sold for $400 and it's a one-time fee. You can see this account over $110 today. If you go through this account history for the last 1 month, you're going to be blown away. I just want to do that for you guys. You see the last 1 month, over $1,420 profit with deposits of $2,127. This account has done over 50%. This is almost like 60% plus, already going to 70% trading with this robot for the last 1 month. You can see the dates of deposits. This was when? This is January 20, and look at today. This is just 16th of February. So this account is not yet up to a month, but has been able to do over 60%. And remember, I always tell you guys, you're going to be making between 20 to 50%. One thing I always love doing is keeping the expectation low, and when we see this, we bless God. So congratulations to you, madam, on this one. So this is another account that has done crazily amazing profit. All right, you can see. Okay, now if you go to this profit just today, over $144. Now if I go to the last 1 month of this account, you're going to be blown away. You can see that over $3,221 profit. Now let me take you to when you make the first deposit. This is 5th of what? January. Second deposit, 6th of what? January. Now the deposit that was made on this account was $2,091 deposit. This was January. Can you see the profit? Over $3,221 in less than what? 2 months. This account has been able to do over 300%. That's why I say the result of this account is amazing. Can you see the drawdown? Awesome. So guys, congratulations to you on that one. So just let me share the last account with you guys and I'll call it today. So guys, what we are trading with is awesome. Once you keep your risk reasonable and you don't flood the orders, you're going to be making good profits. All right, this is another account I just started last month. See the date of deposit, 21st, all right, of January, and today is when? 16th. It's not up to a month yet. See the deposit, $2,000. That's the profit, over $859. So guys, what we are sharing with everyone is working. So just give me a call. Get yourself the people EAS 2021 and watch your money grow consistently for